Hey guys, what's going on? It is Dylan, and today I am here to show you guys how to use these bird scooters that you see everywhere, and kind of how everything works with the app and all of that. So first of all, I'm kind of just going to go over kind of the anatomy of it. You have the handlebar, and each one of them is a little bit different. They have different models of them, but this one right here actually has the bicycle style brake, and then you have a little bell right here. Works pretty good. And then right here you have your QR code that you use with the app to start it, and then right here is actually your throttle. You just push down to go. And then so kind of going down this way, you see the bird logo there, and then you got the cable there for your acceleration and brake, and your footboard, and then of course the back of it, with also right over here on this side you can see the cable for the disc brakes. So the way that this works is actually you download the Bird app from the App Store, and as you can see, it's the very last app that I have. We're going to tap on it, and then once you first have it, it's actually going to come up, and you have to make a profile, put in your email address and all that good stuff. And after you get the app and you get registered for free on your first ride, what you're going to do is, as you can see here, it'll give you instruction. It tells you what to do. But see, you can find birds on the map, and this isn't always real perfect. Like, it shows my location here, but then it shows there's a bird right up here, but I'm actually looking at a bird right now that is right by us, and it isn't showing up on the map for some reason. So again, it's not always perfect, but you just want to look for these birds, and then we're going to hit ride. Now, as you can see, it comes up and it says scan QR code on the bird to start ride. So actually, when I come up to it, it does it pretty quick. Then as you can see, I have my card in there with Apple Pay. Then I'm just going to push and hold down. It says processing payment. And then, as you can see here, it unlocks the bird. And once you see that, when it says end ride, then you're going. It costs $1 to start. To unlock it, it's just $1, and then it's 15 cents every minute that you're on the bird. And that right underneath ride in progress, you can see this one only has 19%. So I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. It is that simple. And then you can hop on your bird and you're good to ride. And then say you're done riding, what you'll actually do is on your phone here, you will just hit where it says end route, and then it asks you to take a picture of the bird showing that it's parked safely and out of the public right of way. Then after you take the photo, and then you get this message that basically tells you that you're done and you successfully locked the bird, and it just cost me $1.15. So again, just wanted to make a real quick video to show you guys how these birds work and how to use them. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Also, please be sure to subscribe, so I'll continue to have more gadget videos, how-tos, all this good stuff upcoming in the future. As always, guys, this is Dylan. I enjoyed it.